How to fix charging not available as liquid has been detected in the lightning connector. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and unplug the cable immediately. So, as soon as the warning appears, disconnect the charger and do not try plugging it back in. Next, go ahead and dry the lightning port properly. So, gently tap the phone with the port facing down to remove excess liquid. Further, leave the iPhone in a well ventilated, dry area and let it dry for at least 30 to 60 minutes or longer if your iPhone was completely soaked. Make sure not to use any kind of blow air into the port or your hair dryer, or do not insert any cotton swabs, paper, or tissue. Also, make sure not to put it in the rice. Now, if you are in dire need of charge, then you can connect your iPhone to a QI or MagSafe wireless charger and charge your phone for the time being. See if that fixes your issue and if the iPhone is dry yet or not, and you can then go ahead and check your charging cable. So check your charging cable and wipe the cable ends thoroughly and use a different cable adapter. Also, avoid using wet or sweaty hands when plugging in. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you could go ahead and restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you might need to visit Apple Store or an authorized service center to fix your issue further. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix charging not available liquid has been detected in the lightning connector. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.